2025 Hyundai Elantra N Turbo. Let me show you guys what we've done. So they changed them up for this year. They used to have two resonators, one baby one here and another big one down there. Now they only come with one baby one right here off the turbo and the converter up there. So this one's only got like 800 miles on it. 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. And then we took the muffler off and did a custom T-pipe, Y-pipe, as you guys can see right there. So it's got a valve on this side. It doesn't have a valve on this side. What we usually do is add a muffler here somewhere, like a vibrant, ultra quiet or something. So when the valve is closed, it goes through there and gives it a nice, clean, deep tone. But he's like, I want it straight piped and louder with the valve still working. So we straight piped it on this side and kept the valve on this side so it opens and closes like it's supposed to with the N button. Later down the road, if he wants it quiet again, we can always add something here. That's what it looks like, nice and clean and beautiful with a custom T-pipe. Muffler delete right there. Really clean, really nice, not overly done. And there's the center end that was on the muffler and the dual outlets on each side. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Hyundai Elantra N muffler delete. Give me gas. So you guys can see the valve is closed right now. So it's only out of this one. Again. So you can hear the sound difference. Go ahead. This is the side without the valve. This is the side with the valve. Go ahead. All right, go ahead and press the N button. All right, give it gas again now. So you guys can see it's more uniform, a lot louder. So you can see, go ahead. Again, that's the other side now. So you guys can see it's a uniform sound now between the two because the valve is open. Giving gas with the valve open. This is the sound decibels. Again. So that's 103. All right, close the valve. Here's sound decibels. You can see it's right at 99, 98, not crazy loud anymore. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our phone number. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue on Dickerson Pike in Nashville, Tennessee. Our address is 3560 Dickerson Pike. That's our phone number. Give us a call or a follow. Support us in Music City. So that's valves closed. Press the N, open it. Go ahead.
Check this out. Oh.
Here we go, Hyundai Elantra N Turbo. We might take the resonator off next, we'll see. Stay tuned, he's gonna take it down the road and see if he wants to take it off or not. And it is a 6-speed stick shift, so I love it, manual. It does have pop, he wanted more pop. He started initially, he wanted to take the resonator off. I said, man, you're not gonna get any noise if you just take the resonator off. I said, start with a muffler delete first. So that's what he started with. So it does have a little bit of pop, but nothing crazy. I think he's gonna take the resonator off next. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. Stay tuned. Hyundai Elantra N, round 2. So now, as you guys can see, still got the cat up there, but we did do a resonator delete also. So there you go. Res delete, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. Custom T-pipe still the same. Custom, fully straight piped Hyundai Elantra N for your viewing pleasure. There we go. As you guys can see right there, nice and clean, fully straight pipe. Stay tuned, we're gonna let you guys hear it. Hopefully it starts popping now. As you guys can see, look, when I tell you it's a baby one, look how small it is. Fits right in my hand. Small but mighty. Tiny but mighty, there we go, that's the wording. So they put it right at the right sound decibel for it to eliminate drone. So here we go, round 2. This is fully straight pipe now, no resonator, no muffler. Let's see if it pops before we put it in N mode. It's definitely louder. Your sound decibels, go ahead. 105. Let you guys hear up close with the valves closed. All right, that was valves closed. Now go ahead and open the valve. All right, go ahead. Definitely a lot louder. And he's gonna get a tune done for it too. Go ahead. Again. It's definitely a lot more raspy. Again. 104, 105. Go ahead and back it up. 2025. Is it definitely louder inside? Yeah. Go ahead. Okay, close the valve. So that was valves open. You guys here on the inside.